Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by unlocking your Vivo T2X and opening settings so you can make changes immediately. Tap the search icon and type screen time or digital well-being to jump straight there. This saves hunting through menus. If you plan to sync limits across accounts, connect to Wi-Fi now so changes upload. Once the screen time panel appears, glance at current usage graphs to know what to limit. Make sure you have device PIN or fingerprint ready if prompted for administrative changes. You now add rules. Tap app limits or downtime and create a new limit. Choose specific apps or whole categories, then set a daily time using hours and minutes so limits match your routine. Use schedule to block access during bedtime or study hours, and distinguish weekdays versus weekends so behavior stays practical. Once you pick times, assign exceptions for essential apps like phone or alarm. After configuring, press Save. The system will enforce the limits automatically, without needing a reboot. You finish by setting a screen time passcode so limits can't be altered casually. Choose something different from your unlock PIN. Then test the configuration. Open a restricted app and confirm it hits the limit and shows the block screen. If enforcement fails, make sure screen time has necessary permissions, restart the Vivo T2X and re-attempt. Often a reboot applies newly granted permissions. If issues persist, clear settings cache for digital well-being and repeat the setup steps to reset enforcement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.